fondant icing, homemade way of making fondant icing, of icing a cake with fondant icing. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So level the cake. After get your board, on your board, first apply butter icing, then apply the first cake, then apply butter icing in the middle of the two cakes, what we call sandwiching. After level the cakes, so set the cakes aside. So we are going to mix our fondant icing or hard icing. In our saucepan, we are going to apply gelatin 1 tablespoon, then apply glycerin also 1 tablespoon, apply gelatin 1 tablespoon, glycerin 1 tablespoon, glucose syrup 1 tablespoon. Then apply hot water. Then after applying hot water, we are going to cook. We are going to put on fire and cook. We are doing fondant icing or hard what? Or hard icing. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So we are going to put on fire and cook until everything melts. So on our board, we are going to apply the icing sugar, and the icing sugar we are going to apply 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of CMC. Then mix well. Then apply the cooked mixture. But when you're applying it, make sure that you strain it. Then you're going to start kneading, or you're going to start mixing. The way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste. So you can also follow the same procedure and make fondant icing at home, at your home. But if you want to train more, you can come and join Super Kitchen School of Cooker, Baker and Barista Training. We are located in Kawempe Chirokole, Tula Road. We train cooker, baker, barista, and pastries. So you can WhatsApp me on the numbers in the video. So you have to make sure that your fondant is not too hard, and you have to make sure that it's not too soft. You have to make sure that you mix the mixture when the mixture is hot. Don't make when the mixture is cold. Then you are going to roll, or you're going to start kneading you are kneading a chapati. To know that it's ready, when you pull it, it is training. Then we are going to rest it for some minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes, or you can even rest it for a night. Then after, you're going to put the first coating on our cake. You're going to put the first coating on our cake. If you don't know how to make butter icing, please WhatsApp me. I share you the video, and also join my WhatsApp channel. So put the first coating. You first ice at the top. After icing that at the top, you ice in the sides. Make sure that you ice everything. We need it smart. We don't need any hole. So we are going to start rolling. You're going to start rolling our icing, our fondant icing or hard icing. We are going to start rolling, but before you roll it, first knead it again. So we are going to get our table, apply on icing sugar. Then you're going to start rolling. Make sure that when you are rolling, you roll something which is going to fit on the cake, or something which is going to cover the whole cake. So make sure that you don't do it too thin. So you can put any design of your choice, or you can leave it plain. So I'm going to get my rolling pin. I roll it out. Then I cover my I cover my cake. Then after covering my cake, I'm going to make sure that I cover it very well. I don't need my fondant icing to tear. So I'm going to make sure that I cover it very well. I'm doing it a homemade way. So for the home bakers, you can try out this method. Trust me, you're going to love it so much. I know you will try it, it fails, but practice makes perfect. Try and try and try until you get a perfect thing. So you are going to cut off all the excess stuff. Then I'm going to get a smoother. These smoothers, you can get them in any bakery shop, or you can go in Chikubo and look for any bakery shop. So a smoother will help you to level the cake more. The smoother is going to help you to level the cake more and more. So I'm leveling the cake. I think you can see it. I'm doing it a homemade way. I made it easily for you so that you can also do these cakes. You can ice a cake for the birthday, for birthday for your kids, or you can do it for the business homemade way. Then after, I'm going to set my cake aside. We are going to do royal icing. When you're doing royal icing, we need egg white. We need 1 egg white. So in that 1 egg white, we are going to whisk it until it becomes frippe. We are going to whisk it until it becomes frippe. So after whisking the egg white, in the egg white we are going to apply lemon juice. In the egg white we are going to apply lemon juice. When the lemon is too big, apply half lemon juice. When the lemon is too small, you can apply all of it, but you have to make sure that you whisk until it is frippe, the egg white. Don't use the yolk. Then you apply in the lemon juice. After apply the lemon juice in the egg, in the whisked egg white. Then after, add in enough icing sugar. To know that it's ready, you have to, when you lift it like this, you don't need to see it dropping. That's why you have to apply in little icing sugar, slowly, but you have to also give it a perfect mix. So I'm going to apply in strawberry because I'm looking for color. That's why I used the strawberry flavor, but you can use any color of your choice, because I'm going to use the royal icing to design my cake, or even to write on the cake. We have another recipe of making royal icing if you want to use the royal icing to ice the whole cake. So you can come and join Super Kitchen School. We are located in Kawempe Chiroko, Tula Road. So I'm going to get my paper because I'm showing you the local way. Then I'm going to first write on my cake. Before you design the cake, make sure that you first write on it. So I'm writing it in a local way. That's why I use the what? I use the paper. So after writing, I'm going to design. So if you want to join my WhatsApp channel, if you want to join our bakery, cookery, pastry, barista classes at Super Kitchen School, you can WhatsApp me on 0700 11 68 17. 0700 11 68 17. You can WhatsApp me. We are located in Kawempe Chiroko, Tula Road. And for the new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you are following this recipe and it fails, please don't fail to try again.